What's up guys, for today's video we're going to make a quick dish. As quick as 10 minutes, I'm sure you're all familiar with the savory flavor of buttered shrimp. So let's begin. Let's start by melting a butter into the pan, low heat, to prevent the butter from burning. Put a little cooking oil. Now add garlic, lots of garlic. It acts as a flavor powerhouse that can elevate the taste of otherwise bland recipes. Garlic can be used raw for a sharper taste or cooked to achieve a milder, sweeter flavor profile. Add sugar to complement the taste of butter. About 2 spoonfuls is enough to bring out the goodness of butter. Then put some chili flakes and black pepper to add a little spice and a little salt to wrap all the flavors. Mix well, then add the shrimp. Shrimp cook quickly in butter, typically taking 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn pink and opaque. Overcooking can make them rubbery, so watch carefully. The total cooking time will be approximately 4 to 6 minutes, depending on the size of the shrimp. So there you have it guys. Meal under 10 minutes, that is the cooking time, but if we'll remove the skin and intestine, then it will consume more time. I remove both for the sake of presentation. Thank you for watching guys, see you in my next video.